Choquequirao, one of the greatest mysteries of the ancient world. It is believed to be 3 times larger than the world-famous Machu Picchu. Yet, only a very small part have ever been excavated. Archaeologists still know almost nothing about it. Hidden deep into the mountains, far from the reach of the conquistadors, the site can only be reached by following a narrow trail for days with no roads, no facilities, nothing at all. And today, we are starting our very own expedition, a challenging trek to this magical and mysterious place. With our tents on our back, ready to camp among ruins few people have ever seen. Join us on our adventure to Choquequirao.
Welcome people, another vlog of Wandering Back, and today we're gonna take you on a big adventure and to Choquequirao. We are gonna walk to the Choquequirao ruins. Choquequirao ruins are really big ruins, said to be maybe even bigger than Machu Picchu, but not famous at all. And there's no road to there, there's nothing to there, so we are gonna try to walk over there. It's gonna take 2 or 3 days to arrive over there, just by walking. And yeah, that's the plan.
Try to put a tent there.
We're gonna try to put a tent there, see if that's possible, and yeah. It's just gonna be another amazing adventure. Ruins bigger than Machu Picchu, only reachable by walking 3 days. Vamos, vamos! So first of all, to start our trek, we need to get to Choquequirao. It's a very small town and it's from where we're gonna start walking for the next 4 or 5 days. We're at the bus station now and let's hope we can easily find a bus. So we found our bus, this big bus that we're gonna take. It's around 4 hours and a half and it actually goes to a bigger city, but it's gonna drop us at a small village. We talked to the driver and he's gonna drop us over there. So the bus just dropped us off at Choquequirao. At least close to Choquequirao, we still have to take a little taxi or collectivo to go to the Choquequirao itself. It's 15 kilometers from here. But first of all, let's see if we can get some food for ourselves. So we found a little place to eat over here, where we're gonna get some chicken with egg and something else. Right now they already give us some coffee, some really good coffee, what especially Promedio Roberto needs, because he was asleep very deep in the bus.
Cool.
He was gone. I tried to wake him up and he always punched me in the nose. So we just finished our food. It was really delicious. Gonna be a little bit bigger, but it was really delicious. And for the last 50 kilometers to the town, we got ourselves a taxi. I mean, a collectivo is like a small bus to arrive there. So our little bus or collectivo just dropped us at the town of Choquequirao. And yeah, it's spooky vibes with all the mist, with all the fog, but it's already 5 p.m. so we're not gonna start walking today. We're gonna have a good rest and start walking tomorrow. But first of all, we need to find some place to sleep. So let's walk around town a little bit and see where we can sleep for a good price. So we found a really lovely place over here in the center of town. And we got it for a really good price. We're only paying €5 each. And it's really beautiful. Look at this, look at all what we are getting. Beautiful rooms, beautiful place for just €5 each. Let me show you the room, the garden, which is very, very much of flowers. Some little places to hang, to chill while watching the flowers, maybe some hummingbirds revving around. And this is a room. This is where we are sleeping. And then it was time to go sleep and give our body some rest for the next heavy days to come. Morning people, we just woke up after a good and heavy night of sleep, and today is gonna be the first day of walking towards Choquequirao, but let's get some breakfast first. So right now, me and Promedio Roberto, we are just leaving on the hike. We're leaving the town of Choquequirao now and starting our hike. And yeah, some nice background. The first European explorer who reached the ruins was Eugène Comte de Sartigue from France, and we just read his saying about it. He said like, it was so hard to reach. He lost a lot of men, a lot of donkeys died on the way to reach it, a couple days. And he said it was so cold that he had to drink himself drunk of rum every night to beat the cold. And he lost like, he just didn't say how much, but he lost a lot of men, a lot of mules just to reach it. So yeah, right now it's up to us to reach it. Vamos, vamos. And an interesting side quest about Choquequirao is that the Inca name, they're not sure about the name, but it will be Cradle of Gold. It's believed there is a lot of gold over there, but they abandoned the city when the Spanish came so that the Spanish wouldn't destroy the city. And the city had so much gold and they didn't want the gold to be in the hands of the Spanish. So they buried it around the ruins. So
Find some shovels.
if you find some gold, we won't tell you. Sorry guys. Yeah man, we just left town on the small and muddy paths right now, very slippery. And yeah, right now we're on the old Inca trail, following the old Incas towards their big cities. So we just passed the checkpoint where we had to buy
or tickets for the ruins. To visit the ruins, the checkpoint is very far, it's here. They don't sell it at the ruins itself. They sell it here. Still 2 or 3 days walking from the actual ruins itself, but because at the ruins there is nothing anymore. So they have to sell it over here. And a beautiful view Promedio Roberto is showing. Yeah, nothing. There are some little campsites, and I asked information about which campsites are open and which ones are closed. So that's very handy to know for us, which ones are open and which ones are closed. Where we maybe, with a little bit of luck, can buy some food. Yeah. But we have our own food with us, so that's not a problem. And also water. We have our own water with us, and also chlorine purifying pills to purify water when we need. We're gonna have to drink the water from the streams that we find along the way and purify that water. And behind us right now, we are joined by the two guards that we just bought the tickets from. I don't know why they're following us right now, but they decided to walk the first kilometers with us. Okay, we're gonna leave the park guides over here. They just wanted to walk to here to the Mirador. I don't really understood why, but I think because there's a horse over here. So, but now we're back solo.
There are quite a lot of horses along the track because the few people that live here in those abandoned mountains, they really rely on the horses to get food around.
So this part of the road is very, very slippery because of all the donkeys and horses that passed in the past days. We're basically just sliding down the valley. The donkeys from some local farmers are gonna pass us right now. Don't have to be scared. I'm not gonna do anything. Just pass. We won't hurt you. Just pass. That's a horse. That's not a donkey, that's a horse. Buenas tardes.
¿Cómo está, mister?
Bien, bien. ¿Y tú?
Yeah.
So right now we came all the way from up there, took the path down, up to here, and to the ruin of Inca. Oh guys, I'm chilling on my rock together with Robbe, and the views are just amazing. Like, I don't want to leave. I feel like I'm just gonna pitch my tent on this rock and sleep over here, because this is so enjoyable. The peace, the nature, the tranquilidad, everything.
But back on the road we had to go. Chachao Rock.
Oh look, sadly, people died here on the road. So yeah, we need to be careful. People do die over here. The views on the walk are getting more beautiful and beautiful. And the sun has gotten out, it's gotten really, really hot. Promedio Roberto had to get his shorts on because he was so warm. But yeah, the views are only getting better. It's really gorgeous. So we definitely have snakes on this track, because look at this. 2, not 1, but 2 dead snakes over here. So we need to be careful where we put our feet. So right now we are descending down into the valley, the river's over there. And then tomorrow we will have to go up all the way up this mountain again to the top of that mountain. So that'll be a really steep climb, like all the way up from down, from the river to the top of the mountain. And over there at the top, or a little bit over the top on the other side, should be Choquequirao. Other side of that mountain is the big ruins. And we can see the first campsite in the distance already over there, where you can see the red roofs. That's the first campsite. So yeah, let's check out what's over there and decide what we're gonna do. So we arrived at this really beautiful camping site, and after a little bit of discussion, like we were not sure how to do it, but we decided we're gonna sleep here, have a good rest, and on tomorrow we're gonna go in one truck to the top of the mountain. Tomorrow's gonna be 11 kilometers and 1.5 of ascending, going up. And yeah, it's a really beautiful campsite. It's just 5 sols, it's like €1 for a tent for the both of us, so that's cheap.
This is going to be the only day we found a campsite. The next few days, we're gonna have to wild camp.
And look what we found over here. Next to the tomato plant, they actually have a Jamaican tomato plant. The special version. Time to set up our tent. It's a rental tent, so we actually don't know yet how we need to do this. We haven't tested it out, we just trusted them. I hope you don't regret it right now. We just finished setting up our tent, our pro tent. It's a little bit small, it's more Peruvian style big. The mats are a bit tiny as well, but we'll make it. And the friendly lady also gave us some mango, some lovely mango we're gonna eat soon. Good night, people. That's gonna be the end of day 2, the first day of hiking. We're gonna go to bed. It's late right now, so we have a fresh day tomorrow to climb up that big hill, because it's a very big hill. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. If you did, give a like, give a subscribe, give some support, and ciao, hasta la próxima.